This is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can have dual WhatsApp Messenger in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or any other version of Samsung phone. So I'm not talking about business WhatsApp, I'm talking about the real WhatsApp, how we can have two. So we'll go one by one. We go to Play Store and hit install. This is WhatsApp number 1. Open. This is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can have dual WhatsApp Messenger in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or any other. Slide down from up. Here you have setting option. Go inside setting option. In setting option, you have to go down a little bit. You have to find this feature called advanced. Hit this one. In advanced feature, you have to go down a little bit. You see dual messenger. Hit this one. In dual messenger, you see WhatsApp here. Hit this one. Here is the install. Hit install. It's installing now another WhatsApp for your phone. It's done. So go outside here. So you can see two WhatsApp side by side. I click the first one. Here we go. You have to set up obviously. And here. Wow. Beautiful. Isn't it? Lovely. So okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.